In this video, I will tell you few methods by which you can fix green line issue on any Samsung device. First of all, navigate to your settings application, which is right here. Scroll down until you see display. Tap on display, and right here you can see motion smoothness. Just tap on that, and if standard is selected, tap on adaptive and tap on apply. Or if adaptive is selected, tap on standard and tap on apply to see if this works for you. However, if the issue still remains, then you can try force restarting your device as well. To force restart, hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Volume down button and the power button at the same time, and keep holding until your screen goes black. It will force restart your device, and if the issue is from the software side, this will most likely fix your issue. However, if the issue still remains, then you can check for any software update which is available. To check that, navigate to your settings application and scroll down until you see software. You can see software update is right here. Just tap on that, and from here you can download and install the latest software version. And if the issue is from the software side, this will most likely fix your issue. However, if the issue still remains, then it can be a hardware issue as well. Please visit nearest service center to get it fixed. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.